This is an Obsidian Scalpel, one of the sharpest surgical tools on the planet. And today, I'm gonna see if I can get this pocket knife sharper than the Obsidian Scalpel using the tumbler mini set. So first, let's measure the scalpel. It's 37. Yeah, all scores below 50 have an extremely fine edge and is razor sharp as expected. Now let's test the Benchmade bug out. It's, wow, 514. Yeah, this edge is thick and is officially considered dull. That's terrible. Okay, so for this pocket knife, I'm going with a wide 20-degree sharpening angle, locking it in place, and evenly sharpening as I roll the diamond disc back and forth on both sides. Now I'm switching to the honing disc and realigning by rolling the same way. Okay, now the leather strop gets this edge as sharp as possible. All right, is it sharper than the Scalpel's 37?